Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm just going to shoot a real short video. Recently the light fixture went out on my mill back there, and it had the fluorescent bulbs in it. It was an older fixture, so the ballast went bad in it. So what I knew about LED bulbs is, back when they first came out with them, if you wanted to put them in a fixture like that, you had to bypass the ballast. So since my ballast was bad anyway, I thought, well, no big deal. I'll go get the fluorescent bulbs, or correction, LED bulbs, and I'll bypass the ballast because it's bad, and I'll have a working fixture. So I go to Home Depot, I buy a 4-pack of bulbs, and I get back here to the garage, and I go to reading on them, and on the box, it will say direct replacement, like it says on this box right here. It says direct replacement. Okay, and I thought, direct replacement, how can that work? That you can't hook the ballast. Well, technology has bypassed me because I wasn't aware of that. So anyway, I couldn't use them on this fixture. So I went in and put them on my lathe. I took the fluorescent bulbs out of there because the ballast was still good, and I put the bulbs in there so I didn't have to take them back. So I went back to Home Depot and I bought, they call it, this particular bulb is a direct replacement or a bypass, so you can use it either way. It must switch internally. It knows, senses the power. Plus, the nice thing about this one, if I can show you here, you can adjust. It's got a little button, and I'll show you in a second. On the end of the bulb, you just move back and forth, a little slider, and you can set it for the different brightnesses you want, which I like because I never can remember what I want. You know, they have, what, 4 different ones. They got daylight, deluxe, daylight, cool white, and bright white. And in the store, I don't know which one I want to work the best for me, and here to give me the best lighting. So this is kind of nice because you can adjust it however you like it. And I thought I would want to set it on the brightest, you know, this 6000K daylight deluxe. But the brightness isn't so much important as the color of the light. And so I tried it there first, and I thought, man, that doesn't seem very bright. So I put it all the way down here, and that was, to me, it seemed brighter for what I needed. It made it light up better. But so I went to this one, and this one's actually a little better, the 4000K cool white. I tried this one again. It's starting to get to where these are almost too soft a light to really spread out like I want to get a good light. But the nice thing is you can adjust it. So I really like that. And it really, they weren't, I think they were, I don't know, $2 a pack, which there's 2 in a pack, cheaper for the direct fit than the direct or bypass fit, which I understand because they'll do either way. So anyway, I got those put on today, and they're really easy to put on. They give you wiring instructions here on the package. I know this isn't going to show up very good, but it'll just let you know what's on there. It shows you basically on one end of the ballast, you have the load wires coming out. You connect all those together to the power wire coming into the fixture, and then you have the neutral wire on the other end of the ballast, all the wires that go to the other end of the bulb connectors, and that connects to your neutral wire. So it's really simple to hook up. You're just bypassing your ballast. You don't even have to take the ballast out. You can leave it in the fixture. It's not in the way. So anyway, I just wanted to point that out, and I'll turn it on for you here. And I've got the garage door open behind us, so it's pretty bright in here. But I think you'll see how bright these are. I mean, it really lights it up. And this is what's called cool white. And I'm not sure what color these were. I don't remember now, but they look more like the daylight. You can kind of see it, and I don't know if it's showing up in the film, but it's actually kind of a little bluish tint to me, to the light. So if you look, I'm trying to get them both in here at once. If you can see the difference in the color of the 2 fixtures, but to me, I think that setting I have for the mill, I kind of like it better. It really lights up the table. You can see here. I mean, it's really bright down here. So I really like that. So anyway, I just wanted to make a short video about that, just to kind of give people an idea and what to look for when you go to do this, because I had no idea. Now I bought these are the 18-inch ones, and they're direct replacement for this little lamp fixture I have on the other side of the mill. And I put them in and they won't power up. So I don't know what the deal is with that, because I'm assuming it's got some kind of ballast like down in the base or something, because those are regular fluorescent bulbs in that thing. But for some reason, these won't work. So I might have to get is bypass bulbs and take that apart and just bypass the ballast so I can have lights. I mean, I've got lights in there right now, but again, they're fluorescent, they're old, and they're dim, so they don't really light up a whole lot. So I'd like to get those LED too. And eventually, as bulbs burn out here in the shop, I'm going to start replacing those with LED bulbs. I think for the money, well, you can't get fluorescent bulbs anymore thanks to Big Joe Biden. But anyway, the cost of the bulbs I think are worth it because they last. I think this one says it lasts up to 32,000 hours, which it'll outlast me. But this one says up to 50,000 hours. Okay, so in theory, I should never have to buy another bulb once I buy these bulbs to put in these fixtures. They'll outlast me, and they're a lot brighter and they're a lot more efficient. When I have I have 5 sets of 2 8-foot lights in this building, and when they're all turned on, I checked it, I'm pulling 10 amps from these fluorescent lights. So they really suck the juice. So it's something to think about if you're going to be replacing lights in your shop or in your house, to look at these. Even if you're not want to replace them, you might want to consider it because it is more efficient, and to me it's a lot better lighting, and they last forever. So anyway, that's just a short video I wanted to do today. I appreciate you guys watching. I want to finish up that motorcycle. I went yesterday and bought oil and antifreeze so I can change the oil and filter and fill up the antifreeze, and then put gas in, and it should be ready to try to start it. So that'll be my next video coming up. So again, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and have a great day, and we'll see you on the next one.